Chapter 3.2, New, English, Standard Answers, IPT, Sketch. I'm going to start out with the 4 circles there. And you have to remember, when there's a R, you're going to double that number in most cases. So my R is 1, so I'm going to make that a 2. So hit circle, and I'm just going to stay on that circle origin here. I'm just going to move across somewhere here, pick a point, type in 2, enter. I'm going to come over here, same deal, stay on same center, type in 2, enter. And I'm going to dimension those from center to center. Should be 2.5, enter. And from the center of one circle to the center of the origin should be 1.25, enter. I'm going to come back and get my circle, and on the inside I got a radius of 0.5, so that's going to make that 1 and make this one 1. Okay, once you have the correct diameters, the correct distance apart, you can go to your line command, and I'm just going to come up and see how that I get that yellow dot right on the top of that circle. I'm going to click it, come over, get the same one, I'm tangent, come back to line command, grab the one at the bottom, over to the top of that one, still in line command. I'm going to do the same thing for these 2 small circles. Now, you want to come up to your trim command, because I want to trim out everything that I don't need and it's going to look like a racetrack. You want to have all of those open. And it should look something like that. Now, if you notice, we have a 1 1/4 inch cutout right here. I can go ahead and put that in this sketch. And what I'm going to do is choose a rectangle. Just drop it in anywhere, and I'm going to give it a dimension of 1.25. Enter. And I'm going to dimension it from one center to here is going to be, what you would do is take the 2.5 from center to center, subtract the 1.25 from 2.5, and you get 1.25. Divide that by 2. If you can't do that in your head, just go 1.25, divide by 2, and let Inventor handle that for you. Now I can come back up to trim, trim these off, and you should have a figure that looks like that. Finish sketch. You may have chose a different plane, but hopefully you got the same figure. Set at 1, and what we want is 0.5, ½ inch. Now I'm going to come up here and click this, and I'm going to put another sketch on the back of this. Go to circle, find my center, go up, just choose any place, and I know that that is a radius of 0.625, so I have to double that because there's an R. So I'm going to go 0.625, shift, and go to the star, times 2, enter. And you also have a smaller circle there, which is a ½ inch, and it shows you the diameter symbol, so you only type in 0.5, enter. We also know from the bottom to the center is 1 inch. I'm going to type in 1, enter. I'm going to go to my line command, find your center, come straight over, click, come down, do the same thing over here, click, come down to there, go back to your trim, trim off that part of the circle you don't need, And I'm going to come here and turn this where I can see what's going on. Finish sketch, extrude, choose that shape you just drew, and you may have to come up here and change directions. Make sure this is on a 1/2 inch. Check it off. And I'm just going to hold down my left mouse button, kind of turn it like I want it, and there you have it. Chapter 3.2. Save it. Send me the blueprints.